Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll explore some of the most in-demand PowerShell scripts used in real-world IT environments. These scripts play a crucial role in enterprise automation by helping streamline repetitive tasks, enhance security by automating compliance checks and monitoring, and improve operational efficiency across various systems. Throughout this session, we'll look at practical examples that demonstrate how these scripts can be applied to solve everyday challenges in IT departments, making complex processes simpler and more reliable. Whether you're managing servers, configuring networks, or ensuring security policies are enforced, understanding these scripts will give you valuable tools to improve your work. PowerShell is a key automation tool built right into Windows and also works seamlessly with Azure and Microsoft 365, making it essential for managing complex IT environments. It's widely used across system administration, security, and cloud operations because it helps create consistent, repeatable tasks that can be tracked and scaled easily. This means teams can automate routine processes while maintaining control and visibility, which is crucial for enterprise IT. Because of its broad application and power, knowing PowerShell is a highly sought-after skill for system administrators, cloud engineers, and security operations professionals, helping them work more efficiently and effectively. This script focuses on identifying Active Directory accounts that are inactive, locked, or potentially risky. It's commonly used during security audits and compliance reviews to ensure accounts are properly managed. The script checks important details like the last time a user logged in, how long their password has been set, and the current status of their account. By doing this, it helps reduce the attack surface by finding stale or vulnerable accounts that could be exploited, making overall security stronger and easier to maintain. Monitoring disk space automatically across multiple servers is essential to keeping systems running smoothly. By setting up alerts that trigger when disk usage exceeds certain thresholds, IT teams can act before any issues cause downtime. This approach is especially common in data centers and production environments where full disks can lead to outages, disrupt services, and create headaches for administrators. Automating this process helps prevent those problems by ensuring disk space is managed proactively, reducing the risk of unexpected failures and maintaining overall system health. This script continuously monitors key Windows services to ensure they are running as expected, automatically restarting any that have stopped to minimize downtime. It keeps a detailed log of any service failures, which is useful for both auditing purposes and troubleshooting issues when they arise. This kind of monitoring is essential in environments that require constant availability, such as 24/7 production systems, helping maintain stability and reliability without the need for manual intervention. This script checks for any missing Windows updates across all servers, which is essential for maintaining security and meeting cyber insurance requirements. It generates compliance reports that management can review to ensure all systems are up to date. This kind of reporting is especially important before audits or during regular patch cycles, helping to identify and address vulnerabilities proactively. By automating this process, it saves time and reduces the risk of missing critical updates that could expose the organization to security threats. This script helps audit Microsoft 365 licenses and user assignments to identify any licenses that are unused or assigned incorrectly. By spotting these issues, it allows organizations to reduce unnecessary licensing costs, ensuring they only pay for what they actually use. This kind of reporting is especially important in cloud environments, where license management can quickly become complex due to the scale and dynamic nature of user access. With this tool, IT teams can maintain better control over their Microsoft 365 resources, improve budget efficiency, and respond to the high demand for accurate license tracking in modern cloud setups. This script checks whether backup jobs have completed successfully and verifies the integrity of the backup data itself. It sends alerts if any backups have failed or are missing, which is crucial for ensuring that recovery options are reliable in case of a disaster. It works with various backup solutions, including VM, Windows Backup, and cloud-based services, making it a versatile tool to maintain consistent backup health across different environments. This proactive verification helps avoid surprises when you need to restore data and supports overall disaster recovery readiness. This script works by parsing Windows security event logs to identify any suspicious login attempts that could indicate unauthorized access or potential threats. It helps security and SOC teams monitor user activity closely and quickly spot unusual patterns. This tool is also invaluable during incident response investigations, providing detailed logs that support thorough analysis and help trace security incidents back to their source. By automating this process, Teams can respond faster and maintain stronger overall security posture. This script helps create a detailed inventory of Azure resources, including virtual machines, storage accounts, and network components. It's particularly useful for teams focused on cost optimization and governance, as it provides clear visibility into resource usage and helps identify areas where expenses can be reduced. FinOps teams rely on this kind of inventory to manage budgets effectively, while cloud security teams use it to ensure compliance and monitor configurations. It's especially valuable in hybrid environments, where resources span both on-premises and cloud infrastructures, making it critical to have a unified view for better control and decision-making. These scripts bring significant real-world advantages by saving hundreds of hours of manual work, which lets teams focus on more strategic tasks. They improve the overall security posture by ensuring timely patch compliance and monitoring suspicious activities, reducing the risk of vulnerabilities being exploited. At the same time, they help minimize outages and operational risks by verifying backups and maintaining resource inventories, which supports disaster recovery and efficient cloud governance. Finally, they generate management-ready reports that provide clear insights into compliance, licensing, security events, and resource usage, making it easier for leadership to make informed decisions and maintain oversight without getting bogged down in technical details. These PowerShell scripts are primarily used by system administrators who manage and maintain IT infrastructure, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Cloud and DevOps engineers rely on them to automate tasks in cloud environments and streamline resource management. Cybersecurity analysts use these scripts to monitor security events and support incident investigations, helping to detect and respond to threats quickly. Additionally, IT operations and support teams utilize these tools to improve efficiency, reduce manual work, and maintain operational stability across various systems and platforms. Together, these roles benefit from the script's ability to save time, enhance security, and provide clear reporting for management decisions. PowerShell continues to be one of the most sought-after skills in IT, especially as automation becomes a key driver for advancing careers. Using scripts to automate tasks not only saves time but also creates real business value by improving efficiency, security, and reliability. The practical examples we've covered show how these scripts can directly impact daily operations and strategic goals. For those looking to deepen their PowerShell knowledge with hands-on, real-world solutions, subscribing to Real World IT is a great way to stay updated and find useful resources tailored to everyday challenges.